Hey everybody, what's up? It's Chris. Today's video, I'm just going to do another little taste test review on some brand new vegan products and let you know what I think of them. Now, I just got back from Wegmans. I had to go out and get some supplies, and it is 10 degrees out, so I'm thawing off right now. All right, so the first items that I got, these were sent to me. I have not seen these in stores yet, but they look good. The packaging looks cool. We have some corned beef, vegan corned beef, and turkey. So I'm thinking we could make a Reuben with this and a turkey sandwich with this. And I'll let you guys know what I think of it. And then the third product I found at Wegmans were these Incognito Morningstar Farms Mickey Mouse shaped chicken nuggets. Now these are the Disney ones. They also have ones that are just regular chicken nugget, not Mickey shaped. I posted these on my social media and a few people were wondering if it had egg in it. Now, I don't know if they have another one out there that does have egg in it, but these ones do not have egg in it. These ones say vegan right here on the back. There you go, vegan. Morningstar Farms is looking to have their whole company be vegan again this year, 2021. The last time I talked to them, this was their goal. So let's hope that they're able to do that. So I'm gonna put some of these in the air fryer and I'm gonna make some sandwiches. So let's get down to the kitchen and start doing that. Okay, so this is what we have here. It's called Mrs. Goldfarb's Unreal Deli. Fine vegan meats. The best plant-based Reuben on the planet. And there's the cows. 14 grams of protein. And it looks like you can make this awesome Reuben with it. Plant-based deli, corned beef. Okay. This must be Mrs. Goldfarb right there. Suggestions of what this would be good in: sandwiches, wraps, scrambled, stir fries, baked dishes, and hashes. No animals were harmed in the making of this product. That's what I like to see. It's kosher, it's vegan. There's the ingredient list right here. Obviously it contains wheat. That's what wheat gluten is. Nutrition facts. All right, and then the next product is plant-based turkey. 16 grams of protein, and there's that turkey sandwich. That looks good. No animals were harmed in the making of this product. It's vegan, and here are the nutrition facts. All right, and they also sent me a little container of Mrs. G's Russian dressing. So it looks like we can make that corned beef with some Russian on there. So I'm gonna make a corned beef, Reuben, and a turkey sandwich. So I have here some Heidelberg rye for the Reuben, and I'm gonna toast this up with, I picked up some of these Swiss style Dea. I have not tried their Swiss cheese like this. This is a new formula, so let's hope it's good. Swiss cheese. And I also grabbed some of this organic sauerkraut from Wegmans. It's labeled vegan right on it. It was on sale too, it was $4.99, so we're gonna open that and assemble the sandwich. We're also going to use for our sauce is the homemade Russian from Mrs. G's. I've got my cast iron heated up over on the stove. I'm going to use a little bit of vegan butter on each side of the bread. We'll take 2 slices. Oh, it's actually not hardened. Let's try a little piece of it. Oh, wow. They definitely upped their recipe. Tastes a little bit better. There we go. All right, so this is what it looks like out of the package. Let me smell it. It smells good. It's seitan. So we're gonna take a few pieces. Let's take 4 pieces like this. And we're gonna go put them right on that sandwich. There it is. It's got the cheese down. It's got the corned beef. Now we're gonna put some sauerkraut on top of that. There we go. Put the piece of bread right there. You have a nice golden color on that rye. And I'm just gonna cover it to try to melt that cheese a little bit. All right, so the next sandwich, I'm gonna need some lettuce, some tomato, some of this vegan turkey. We're gonna use American style cheese from the Dea. And I have some Heidelberg multigrain bread left over. So I'm gonna use that instead of the rye. And we'll also use some Vegenaise and some spicy brown mustard. Okay, so let's check out the vegan turkey. Oh, look at that. That is very nice and thinly cut. All right, let's put it together. You're gonna take your vegan mayo, Put that on there, as much or as little as you want. I like to take the mustard then, put that on. Then I like to kind of smear it all in like that. Put both pieces of bread together so they have a little bit of taste on both sides. And then we're gonna put some of this turkey on there. Let's make it look good. We'll kind of double it over like that, just like that. Let me just take a little piece of that and test it out. It's all right. Follow your heart, or in the chow are better, but it's not bad. I feel like they improved the formula a little bit. Have a sharp knife, and we're gonna need, look at that, just look at it. We'll throw that there, and then we'll take a nice piece of lettuce like that. Boom, there we go. There's our turkey sandwich. Let's cut it. Toothpick. There we go. Looks good. It came out perfect, look at that. Cheese could have melted a little bit more, but there's the Reuben. We could have put this on before, but we're just gonna put it on right now. Let's just, normally would have put it right on the bread, but I don't want it to fall apart. Okay, yep, there we go. Some of that on there. Perfect. But we're not done yet. We got these Disney Mickey Mouse shapes, chicken nuggets. So I'm gonna put some of these in the air fryer, and then we're gonna go do our taste test. Non-GMO, soy, and vegan. And that's what it looks like, a little Mickey. So let's throw that in the air fryer. All right, it's done. It's time to taste test. You know, I'm thinking that maybe I should taste some of this before I try it in the sandwich, just to see. Okay, so let's see. Just try a little piece of the turkey. It comes apart really easy. It's smells good. It is good. It's good. It's got a nice taste to it. Seitan. Let's go for the corned beef. Both of these have good taste to it. So it's very thinly sliced seitan. Let's try it in the sandwich. I'm gonna try the vegan turkey sandwich first. Okay. So we got a nice thick slice of tomato. We got some lettuce. I didn't put onion on it. We got some American cheese from Dea and the Heidelberg bread, and some veganese and mustard. So let's bite into this and see how it tastes. I didn't really get too much of a turkey bite right there. I don't know what else to say. It's good. It's a good vegan textured turkey tasting meat. All right, let's move on to the Reuben. Look at that. Melted vegan Swiss cheese on a nice toasted Heidelberg rye with some organic sauerkraut and the corned beef. And remember, we got some of Mrs. G's homemade Russian dressing on there as well. That's what it looks like. Let's take a bite out of crime. That's a good Reuben. Just the flavors are all there. The bread's perfectly toasted. The corned beef tastes amazing with the Russian dressing and the acidity of the sauerkraut. It's a perfect Reuben. I'm not sure where to get these yet. I haven't seen them in stores near me. If you've seen them in stores near you, please comment below and let others know where they can get them. All right, and the last thing we're gonna try right now is the Mickey chicken nuggets. So that's what they look like when they're all air fried. And I'm thinking I could probably dip some of this in the remainder of the boop. They're good. I really like the Morningstar chicken nuggets. They got a nice crispy coat on it. I gotta say that some of the vegan chicken nuggets out there, to me, they kind of taste a little bit too chemically. These do not taste like that. These are probably one of my favorite, the Morningstar ones, and they don't have that chemically. They don't have like a chemical taste to it, an artificial taste. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it, but these ones right here are good. Oh, look at that. And it tastes good in this Russian dressing. Well, that's it. That's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna do some more taste tests because I've got some more product that I want to taste and let you guys know. So If you like this video, don't be shy. Leave a thumbs up for me, share it, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.